So how I usually make it happen on Sundays. I totally relax. I totally chill. I try to just chill. But I came up with something good because I'm planning from tomorrow to start the week strong, to start taking strong actions, the ones that I haven't been taking for the past 2 weeks, and I will. But I'm also thinking about focusing on my vibrations. Now this word might be new for you, might be um, appearing a bit like abstract, nothing tangible, but it's actually the most tangible thing there is. Vibration is how I feel, what energy I generate, so the way I vibrate. And this is when it's a money conversation, people don't really understand this and don't really want to hear this. They want to hear something tangible, but to me it's super important how I feel, what I vibrate. If you don't know about the law of attraction, I highly recommend you research onto the law of attraction immediately and really try to understand it. Or you might have heard of law of attraction and you think like, oh, this is bullshit, I don't believe it, and for that I cannot do anything for you. And I think this is the not the right place for you to be, because I firmly believe that I attract everything in my life. So you might do exactly what I do to make money, and if I succeed and you do exactly what I do, but you don't practice the good vibration, if you're negative about it, if you focus on the lack of money, I don't believe money ever is gonna come to you. So this is a day where I talk about the law of attraction and how my thoughts and feeling and emotion attract my reality. And my practice, which I haven't been doing enough, which I've been focusing too much on here and to logic and also mindset, which is also important, but I haven't been focused much into my vibration. And I think that is super important, because as long as I activate a type of vibration, the vibration that is, I feel the abundance, I feel what it would feel like to have enough money in my life to do whatever I want. If I only do once, it's not gonna work. But if I activate that feeling often, multiple times a day for multiple days, consistently for months or two, this will make a huge impact in my financial life. I am sure of it. But these things I tend to forget and to leave it on the side, because I'm always like thinking too much on the logical part of the things, because also by being here in Italy right now, I'm not surrounded by the most positive people, I would say, and that is affecting me. But yeah, at times I remember these things and I try to practice it. So this might not make any sense at all for you, but I will specifically be speaking about this more in maybe a whole video organized. But today is not the day, because today is chilling day for me, it's Sunday. But this is what it comes true for me today. So I've been looking at some Abraham Hicks videos, which I highly recommend you also take a look at. Abraham Hicks, Law of Attraction. And so yeah, I want to commit to activate that type of vibration multiple times a day for multiple days for 1 or 2 months, and this will make a huge difference. And then tomorrow we'll go back to the uh, tangible strategies and tactics and whatever I'm doing to reach my financial goals. But keep always in mind that this is the most important thing. What vibration I am activating? Am I focusing on the lack of money? If I'm focusing on lack of money, there's no way I can attract money on my life. This is what I believe. And I believe this is important. All right. See you tomorrow. Take care.